1979 what?
Teeth. I am tooth fairy level. Please, please. Yes, it's me.
That's not good for me, considering I have no good boats.
Yeah, I say.
And you should leave that ship alone.
Jeez.
Oh god! Hey, you should let go of that person in your mouth. My head is spinning so fast.
What? He's standing on top of me. Are you still alive? That's the real question.
Yes.
Oh, not for long. I'm alright.
Yeah.
That's good. Ah, ha, ha, ha. I'm on top. Did you see me?
Yeah. Oh god.
He's not gonna get me from up here, that's for sure.
I'm having a Titanic scene right now.
I'm having a dying scene right now.
That doesn't look right. Oh yeah, that doesn't look very fun. Why is the shark flying?
I hit it
No,
once.
It's coming! It's coming!
Turn! Oh!
Hit the island! Hit the edge!
I'm gonna hit the boat. I'm
He's
gonna hit.
chasing us.
No! I can't go over it! Go! Go! Drive! Drive! Float or something!
And the boat's almost been split in half.
Go! Go!
Move!
Look at the boat! Ah! I'm in an island! Go, 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 go!
Okay.
How are we still alive?
We rob them. Shall we raid them? I'm on their boat, but I'm gonna
I'm
raid
also on their boat.
Give me all your gold.
I'm on their boat as well, don't worry.
Yeah, but your boat is on their boat. There's
Is
a whole
someone in there?
inside bit.
Shark!
Oh, no.
See ya! I'm out of here.
And the bit I was just standing on just got bit. Oh, Ben, please save me. Please, Ben, please come back and do a little rescuing. I'm jumping around, I'm hopping around, Ben.
Whoa!
I'm...
There's someone. We saved someone. Whoa! Whoa!
I wouldn't say saved.
Ah!
I fell in the water, I fell in the water.
Unlucky. Well, you'll be missed.
But I'm not gonna die, I can climb back up.
Oh.
And I fell!
Unlucky. You'll be missed.
Don't worry, Ben, I don't plan on dying.
Are you sure about that? Oh, I hope I am.
Except no, no, we don't want to flip this. Literally got a turret. That pirate ship has a turret as well.
If we stick you in the water, you'll be able to see the shark better.
That's not a good idea, Ben. I'll also drown.
Yeah.
Ben, don't. Ben, please.
Whee!
Ben,
Shark behind us!
ah!
Go!
Okay, we're dead. I'm looking so many bullets.
What?
What's this?
What is
Look
happening?
at my insane boating skills.
You should become a sailor.
What's this grind?
Wow.
I meant backflip. Is it behind us?
Guess. Just don't go towards it.
Gnarly flip.
I'm out of it. I'm out of
What's
it.
this? He can't catch me.
Yes, he can.
Listen to this joke.
That's it.
Bubble. Oh,